So friends, this is my online network Buska channel, and in this my video, this control panel series video. Okay, lot of people not understand control panel related video, and what is the how type of control panel using system. Okay, so my last previous video very important for you because I am already create a component related video. This is a control panel. Everything I will continue and with practical and one by one option I will show you. Okay, so my last previous video event viewer part 1, and I'm already created competence services this option. Okay, so last my previous video I'm continuing already this on this topic. Okay, so my last previous video I'm already told you about left pane and right side pane and some information why using event viewer and what is the main of important event viewer, why using this event viewer in this important for the computer. So was my first event viewer part 1, and I am continue my last topic on setup and system. So let's start this video. So you can see just the setup. What is the setup? And you can see just this showing me operational. So what is the operational? And you can see the name of event 56. So setup, you can see just this is everything information, just like you can see just servicing. Okay, so first understand about the setup. So just like you are some new download software from internet, and you are select and click on, so one type of your setup, continue this one by one install package one by one in this software, but sometime some software not supporting and not services starting, so it is sometime fail your setup your software, just like your Google Chrome download from internet. You download it from internet to new applications or one type of software, but sometime some reason, lot of reason available in your computer, but some reason not start and not install. So it's called fail to be changed the status, call fail your everything. Okay, you can see just here. So first understand about your computer and information related video. Okay, you can see just open save and log, create custom view, import view, clear log, clear log I will already discuss my last video, first video, but understand properties. So you can click on properties and everything showing me here. So any your log, it is called log. This is all of log, error, information, warning, critical, and all about it is the one type of log, and this is main information. So last my previous video I am already told you this application related information, some error. Okay, so you can check everything, faulting. Okay, everything you understand. Fault, where is fault? This is a faulting application start time, you can see just here, and a faulting application path, you can see that this is a okay. So this is the application related to everything I'm showing me here, and you can see just log name application, source is application related but error. Okay, and event ID 1000, error showing me here, category type level error is not showing me here, and login time means what is the time that failure. So you can see just 6:15:2021 and 2:10:59 p.m. Okay, you can see yes here. Okay, so this is showing me here error of these applications related. So application related, information related, everything. This may showing me warning, but it is a search related warning. Search related warning. Okay. Cloud code not be complete on content source. Okay, you can see this application search 3036 and the warning showing me login everything showing me desktop my computer name. Okay, so you can see just this is a one type of your computer and everything showing me information about my computer. Application related, this is category wise. Security related, this security in my last previous video I'm already created a log. Okay, so clear, but save clear is one type of save your log, because in future maybe you want some need for information, so you can save. Setup, you can see just your setup related. Package mean I'm already told you. Just you can see just this is everything software related. System, you can see just a system. What is system? System in my computer, everything system. This is a start menu, this is everything tiles, file explorer. You can see just these PC. You can see just here control panel, some important for everything. Maybe sometime error give me sometime give not start completely. So everything information add in system and security. Okay, so I'm just now I'm just show you only system, but you can see a lot of mix, but I want find some error. So how you find? So filter current log, you can use here, and first anytime, but you can select last 7 day, last 24 hours, last 12 hours, last hour, and anytime. So you can select I want last 7 days some error, so click on error and click OK. So this is the last 7 day, everything error is showing me here, because error is a weakness of computer. Error and critical and very some damage your computer. Okay, so error is one type of your service sometime not start, terminated unexpectedly. It is a one time, because okay, so this is sometime file completely not load in a computer. So some services are not start and maybe your problem in your computer. Some virus reason, some you're not completely shut down your computer, not completely start your computer, and this region some damage of your software systems and the main your operating system. So sometime computer on time give warning and some error. So it is a one type of failure of your computer. And you can see just this is a one type of properties. You can see just click on in properties, and you can see just properties in everything showing me file of log path. You can see just here. So it is a log path. Log path is one type of showing me file name. File is the main system32. So how is log? You can see just here system32 winwait logs system. So this is a one type of folder, and folder inside this file location showing me here. Okay, so this is the only everything log save it in partition C. This is a main operating system partition. So Windows and system32, you can see the system32 find, and this system32 inside, first system32 inside winnet. Okay, win and logs. Okay, so first find out is winint. Okay, winint this and logs. Okay, and you can see just everything logs here. Okay, and we want to find this system. Okay, system related. So you can see and find your system related. Okay, see this security and system, everything. This system. This is event log. You can see just here event log. Okay, so is window login, window logout, your user login logout is everything your information showing me here. Maximum log size in KB. This is size of your KB. Overwrite event as a new old event first. Okay. So you want some older, very old, your 1 month after automatically delete your log. So this is the oldest log showing me here. Subscription, you can see just a subscription showing me and everything. You can type create. I will discuss in some options inside. So you can see just here this is everything error showing me, but I want only information. So again I am going filter log current log, these options, and remove this on take make, and I'm only showing a warning and last not 7 all anytime warning showing me. So click on OK and everything you can see just here. This is the number of is 407 warning showing me every. You can see just here this is a DNS client event related warning, even iExpress related, WLAN auto config, and EI on Express. You can see just here this is a warning. So sometimes this you won't understand first. EI iExpress means this is a network related warning. So one by one you are warning understand. So this is one type of showing warning related information. Find, what is a find? You won't find anything just like warning your system. So I'm related boot. Okay, I'm enter boot, maybe this system related, so not in boot related. Okay, I'm enter kernel. Okay, kernel related. So this is everything kernel related means showing me. Find next, again you can see kernel related. Background side you can see just check here, kernel related everything. Okay, so all of showing me here these kernel related these warning. Okay, and you can see just here this is a save everything file, everything warning related. So I can save these. Okay, give name anything. Okay, and save and desktop. Okay, and this is save everything. No display information, you want display information. So not display information because very important and confident. You can see just a save file. Okay, see. This is one type of showing me here data or your only warning information only warning. You can see just here this is a warning related information. Okay, so you can see just is a warning related, and you want to clear so you can clear properties and rename related everything. Okay, so this is everything your save information just like everything. Okay, I'm close here and close these deleted video. So you can see just this is one type of okay, everything forward and system. Okay, so first again next understand application and services log. What is the application services log? Because some applications depend everything applications on services, and background services working in application start. Just like you can see just this is one type of everything your operating system, your mouse, your start menu, your task manager, your software, your event driver, everything working background side. Lot of file and processes. You can see just this is showing me everything. Okay, everything your background start working, and services related you can see just lot of services working here. Okay, so this is showing me one by one everything your services and related information. Okay, you can see just this is very important for you, either you cannot understand completely. Okay, so this is one type of a warning in everything information, and computer working in your computer. Okay, whole file. So applications related services very important, and you can say hardware event. So some hardware fail, hardware errors showing here. Internet Explorer, you can see just the Internet Explorer. internet related key management services, Microsoft Office alert, Microsoft MS Office related, and you can say Microsoft Windows PowerShell, your power related video. Okay, and you can see subscription. You can see just this is a, so you want to a local video and information related video. You can see just here. So this is a completely video here, and I will discuss one by one. Okay, so next time I will continue new option related video, just like you can see just here. This is a next option, ODBC data sources. Okay, 32-bit and 64-bit either start services. Okay, so event viewer, everything option complete here, and next option. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day, and you are already know about event viewer related logs. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. I will continue next time. Okay, so thank you.